the first or the fifth video, and today I skip a day because it wears me out. I got all the head bolts out, so tomorrow, the next day, I'm gonna take the intake off. Yeah, this light's messing up. Gotta take the intake off and then pull the heads, but I'll need 2 people to pull this cast iron intake off. It's heavy. So everything's ready, and then as soon as that's off, I think I can get the heads off by myself. So that'll be the next one where it's all off of there. So, and once again, kicks my ass to get on my knees to do this. Hurts my back, hurts my arms, you name it. So it'll probably be a day after. All right, over and out.